In this video, I'll show you how to create a YouTube playlist straight from your mobile. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to the YouTube application, and we're now going to search and select the video that we want to add to our playlist. Now this can be a song or just a general video depending on the type of playlist you want to create. Then underneath the video description, we need to click on the save button. And now from here, we can add this video to a playlist. If you don't already have a playlist created, click on new playlist and then give your playlist a name. So for example, if you are creating a music playlist, you could just call this music, then select the visibility. And from here, you can decide whether you want this public, unlisted or private. Now I'm just going to keep mine on private so only we can see this. Then go and click create. And we've now added our first video to the playlist. So now you can go and select another video that you want to add to this playlist, and once again we're going to press save, and by default it will say save to recent playlist music. Now you can change this by clicking on the saved button once again, and then you can select exactly what playlist to add this to, but for now it's already added this to music, so we can just click done. Now if you want to view your playlist, we need to head back over to the YouTube home screen, click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side. From the navigation, select playlists, and here you'll be able to find your playlist that you just created. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.